Okay, guys, we have a grapevine in the yard, right? Next to the big guava tree and the loco tree. So last year, I wanted it to be sweet, and I saw a video on YouTube in Japan of what they do to get really, really sweet grapes. And the grapevine in the yard yielded very, very sour, hard grapes that I could never really use or eat. So it took me a month or so to do the pruning, and I followed the video, and lo and behold, I'm not gonna lie, guys, look here. I could finally walk to the yard, and I saw the last two bunches still hanging. The others were like raisins already. And see this. And I tasted one in the yard, and it was soft and super sweet. Soft and super sweet. Kyk, die druiwe het reg uitgekom. First time in 11 years that I eat these grapes, and it's sweet. Okay, I'm not going to eat a lot of them. Hey, Sunny! Sunny to me. Hey! Where you? Say hello to the people. Never too far away. So guys, short and sweet, my lovely grapes. They are so sweet, you can eat it just so. So sweet. So yeah, I'm happy. So this year, I'll be doing the same thing. I will prune it, I will cut the grape. Ek weet nie eens die name van die goed te sê, but yeah. It's just amazing how to prune, how to make your grapes bigger and taste sweeter. Yes, that's the one. So guys, anyways, this isn't a cooking video, just a happy video. If you want to see what's happening, absolutely nothing in the kitchen. Is donker want ek is nog nie reg nie. But soon. It's Thursday. My potte wag vir my, alles wag vir my, alles ready vir my. Yeah, alles ready. And on this side we just hang out. There's the TV room, the mini kitchen, and that's outside. And the grapes. I just can't believe it. Bye everyone, love you, start gardening.